still rusty pot. Agreed. But is it an issue to deliver my content? No, I don't think so. Hello everyone, what's up? It's ChaThu. Welcome to the channel. I assume you all get it from the title. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the authentic lasagna. So what it takes to make an authentic lasagna? Number one, a tasty Bolognese or beef ragu. And number two is mouth-watering white sauce or bechamel if you want in technical culinary. And then finally parmesan cheese and pasta. If you have pasta machine, that would be delight to use fresh pasta. But if you don't have, like me, you can use instant lasagna sheet. That would do just fine. So without further ado, let's just dive straight into it. In French cuisine, we call this onion, carrot, garlic, celery combination is mirepoix. Purpose of using this is to bring a solid, flavorful base to a dish. Can be used soup, sauces, stew and etc. Cut all this into small cubes, or also known in Macedon in technical culinary. Also finely chop 4 cloves of garlic. Don't ever throw those off cut. Save them for stock. Whenever you make stock, just dump them into the stock because they will still bring some flavors into your stock. I guess you paid your valuable money, so. And then minced beef goes into the well heated thick bottomed large pot along with little bit olive oil. Cook those meat till they get golden brown. In technical culinary, it's called Maillard reaction. Not Maillard, Maillard reaction. M-I-L-L-A-R-D. Have a look on the caramelization process. I'm gonna remove a bit of fat. It's too much. If you will also have a lot of fat rendering out of the pot while you're roasting the beef, remove most of them because we are not looking to deep fry the meat, we are looking to sear the meat. Once that's done, all mirepoix goes in. Caramelization process done, herbs goes in, oregano, thyme, rosemary and bay leaves. Herbs can be dry or fresh, whatever you have.
Sauce bolognese.
Now it's good time to add salt and pepper slightly and also 2 tablespoons tomato paste. And also add the peeled canned tomato along with can of water. Alright guys, bring this lovely sauce to a boil once and then slow down the fire. Simmer it for 2 to 2.5 hours, stirring frequently. Bye bye, see you next week. Let's make the white sauce. Melt 100 gram of butter in medium heat and then add 100 gram of flour. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the fire, 1 liter of milk goes in. Give it a good mix. Then bring it to a boil on medium heat, mixing constantly. Salt, pepper up to your liking. White sauce done. Make the white sauce and the Bolognese sauce or the beef ragu little bit liquidy so you don't have to boil the instant pasta. I made this diagram. Hopefully you will understand the layering process better. So we'll start with the white sauce, bottom of the container, whatever the container that you're gonna use, and then pasta, which is lasagna sheet, and white sauce again, Bolognese or meat ragu, and pasta again, white sauce. So to finish up, you have to repeat this process 4 times, at least 4-5 times would be great. And then on top of the baking container, white sauce goes, and then parmesan cheese or pecorino cheese would be great. Back to it. There she goes into the oven, 180 centigrade, 50 to 55 minutes. Remove the aluminium foil halfway through. That is important, so you can see a golden brown crust form on the top. I'm starving. Are you ready for this? Wow. This is definitely a dish which can't be replaced by another. Traditional Italian lasagna. Creaminess from the white sauce, or if you want bechamel, and carameliness from the Maillard reaction meat, and also slightly tanginess and acidity from tomato sauce. Also the parmesan gives the slightly crispy crust on top of the lasagna, which definitely can be replaced by another. Absolutely mouth-watering and so flavorful. Guys, I love everything about this recipe, both tasting point of view and also the skill level. I hope you catch up a new skill watching this video and also enjoy and entertain yourself. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing. You know how it works. Like, comment, share, or whatever, as long as you stay healthy, safe, hungry and foolish. Keep cooking, guys. I will see you in the next one. Until then, peace. Bye bye.